the way you sneeze.
What is wrong with the way I sneeze?
Because you don't sneeze. You try to stop it. You know how annoying that is? Not to mention you can blow out your eye that way.
Oh, and how would you like me to sneeze?
Well, like a person. Just let it go. A person goes, achoo! Not,
So I should just let it go and spray everything like you. You sneeze like it's a big Broadway musical finale. Achoo! 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 Good night, everybody. Enjoy my mucus.
I know why you try to stop your sneeze. Because you want to control it. Yes, it's all about control. That's right. You got to control everything. Especially in here.
Up your nose?
And into my brain.
Well, I guess I would use the biggest opening.
Ha 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 ha!